So Sander, I was going to a meeting and then I heard a new one. It's not a belief, it's not a thought, it's energetic. Well, yes, that's it. Claiming it's not a thought or a belief, it's energetic, is already this. It's just more crap. It's just more nonsense. So now suddenly it's energetic. What in the hell does it mean? Energetic. So claiming this to be energetic or a belief or a thought or an idea or God's thorn or Satan's spell or the kingdom of heaven is already just simply this. Ideas, claims, suggestions, as is the liking, as is the nodding. Oh yes, it's all energetic. Yes, I get it now. It's not a thought, it's not a belief. No, it's energetic. Yes, just more stories, just more so-called knowledge. So energy came down from heaven. It appeared in a dream and it said that it was all energetic. It's just energetic. And the loving and the liking of those claims and statements and ideas and beliefs, which are energetic, of course. What else? I mean, that's it. Thinking it's energetic or feeling it's energetic or believing it's not energetic or believing what a bullshit, what a crap, I'm not interested, is already this, innocently, effortlessly. And there's nothing wrong with believing or claiming it's not a belief. Believing it's not a belief is just another belief. Believing it's energetic or suggesting it's energetic or thinking it's energetic is just another thought, another claim, another suggesting. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just more bullshit until it doesn't. And liking the bullshit or liking the words or the ideas or the claims or the suggestions and thinking it's the most beautiful thing ever heard is already this, until it doesn't, until it stops, until it shifts into a so-called new idea, belief, story.